everyone, my name is Abby and I'm a student in the Lamontagne lab. today I'm going to talk about mass seeding. What is mass seeding? Mass seeding is the highly synchronous but variable production of a large seed crop by a population of perennial plants. Now I know that's pretty wordy, so let's break it down into 4 smaller chunks. First, what does it mean to be highly synchronous? Basically, this is just saying everyone is doing the same thing at the same time. The trees at the bottom of the screen are all producing small yellow seeds at the same time. These trees could be called highly synchronous. Second, what does variable production of a large seed crop mean? Essentially, this is just saying that plants are producing different amounts of seeds in an inconsistent way. Some years they may produce a lot, and some years they may not produce much at all. Third, what does population refer to? In biology, a population refers to a group of individuals of the same species living in the same place at the same time. The trees at the bottom of the screen are all of the same species and could be referred to as a population. Finally, perennial plant. A perennial plant simply refers to a plant that will live for more than 2 years. Now let's look at our definition of mass seeding once again. Mass seeding: the highly synchronous but variable production of a large seed crop by a population of perennial plants. Mass seeding is generally characterized as a boom-bust reproductive strategy where individuals in a population may produce a large amount of seeds one year and then produce almost nothing for several years before reproducing in a large quantity again. As scientists, when we think about mass seeding, we often create graphs that look a lot like this, where we have mean cones per tree or seeds per tree on the y-axis and year across the x. We might notice a number of very high reproduction years, followed by intervening years of very low production. The very high reproduction years would be referred to as mast years. While this term may be new to you, mass seeding is a pretty common reproductive strategy used by perennial plants, and you may actually be familiar with some species that exhibit these mast years. Thank you for watching. To learn more about the causes and consequences of mass seeding, be sure to subscribe and look for other videos by members of the Lamontagne Lab.